If someone told me you could build a real food business from a garage, a small room, or one compact machine, I probably wouldn't believe it. But after seeing thousands of small businesses start with almost nothing, one machine, simple ingredients, and a product people already buy, I changed my mind. Because one machine can take cheap ingredients and turn them into products people pay 5, 6, even 10 times more for every single day. This is Business Byte, and today we're breaking down 12 compact food machines quietly powering thousands of small businesses. No hype, just how the money is actually made.
Machine 1. Bubble tea sealing machine. Small device, big impact. Bubble tea is often viewed as a trendy drink, but operationally, it's a structured beverage system. The sealing machine is what gives it a professional edge. Instead of using plastic snap-on lids, this machine heat seals a thin film over the cup in seconds. The operator places the filled cup into the holder, slides the tray inward, and the machine applies heat and pressure to seal it airtight. The result is spill-proof, visually clean, and instantly premium. Entry-level commercial sealing machines typically range between $300 and $900. They operate on standard single-phase power and require minimal space. What makes this machine powerful isn't just the seal. It standardizes branding, speeds up service, reduces packaging costs, and makes delivery safer. In a category where drinks often sell for $6 to $8 with relatively low ingredient cost, presentation consistency protects margin. A small mechanical action elevates perceived value, and perceived value drives pricing power.
Machine 2. Soft serve ice cream machine. Continuous output system. Few machines are as recognizable as the soft serve ice cream unit, but what makes it powerful is not nostalgia, it's automation. Liquid mix is stored in a chilled hopper, then fed into a freezing cylinder where internal blades churn and aerate it continuously at controlled temperatures. When the lever is pulled, fresh soft-serve ice cream flows out immediately, perfectly textured. Commercial units generally range from $1,500 to $6,000, depending on size and compressor strength. They require steady power, routine sanitation, and proper ventilation, but not a massive kitchen. The transformation is simple. Liquid dairy mix goes in, high-margin frozen dessert comes out. The process is controlled, repeatable, and visually engaging. And in food retail, visual engagement increases impulse purchases. It's not just dessert, it's engineered consistency. Machine 3. Countertop deep fryer. Controlled heat, predictable results. Fried food demand has remained stable for decades because texture triggers craving. The countertop fryer turns that craving into a production system. A stainless steel tank holds oil at a stable temperature regulated by internal thermostats. Food is lowered into the oil for a precise cook cycle, producing consistent crispness. Commercial units range from $400 to $1,500, depending on size and heating type. They require ventilation and safety compliance, but they fit into small takeaway kitchens. What matters is the transformation efficiency. Flour, seasoning, and modest protein portions become golden, high-demand products within minutes. Oil can be filtered and reused under proper guidelines. Portions are controlled. Cook times are short. Few compact machines convert inexpensive ingredients into high-perceived value products as reliably as a fryer. Machine 4. Commercial pizza oven. Heat as a scalable system. Pizza ovens are essentially controlled heat chambers, optimized for speed and even distribution. Deck ovens use stone bases for balanced baking, while conveyor ovens automate throughput for higher volume. Entry-level commercial ovens typically begin around $2,000 and increase with size and automation features. They require proper ventilation and stable flooring, but not industrial infrastructure. Dough, sauce, and cheese are inexpensive relative to final selling price. Once temperature calibration and timing are standardized, output becomes predictable. Predictability allows for volume planning. Volume planning allows margin protection. The oven doesn't just bake, it stabilizes production. Machine 5. Vertical rotisserie machine, continuous cooking model. The vertical rotisserie, commonly used for shawarma or gyro-style meats, operates on rotation and controlled heating elements.
Marinated meat is stacked onto a central rod. As it rotates, outer layers cook gradually. Thin slices are shaved off as orders come in, while the inner layers continue cooking. Compact commercial units typically cost between $700 and $2,000, depending on size and heating source. This machine supports a continuous service model. Load once, serve for hours. The visual cooking process attracts attention, while portion shaving controls inventory flow. It transforms a single protein stack into hundreds of servings. Machine 6. High-power commercial blender, liquid production engine. A commercial blender may look ordinary, but in food retail, it's a rapid production tool. Frozen fruit, liquid base, supplements, and ice are combined and blended into smoothies, shakes, or acai bases in under a minute. Heavy-duty units range from $500 to $1,200 and operate on standard outlets. They require minimal ventilation and produce little heat compared to cooking equipment. Liquid-based concepts often carry strong margins due to perceived health positioning. The blender enables fast turnover and customizable offerings without complex kitchen infrastructure. It's efficiency packaged in a countertop device. Machine 7. Automatic noodle maker. Ingredient transformation in motion. An automatic noodle machine turns flour and water into structured strands through mechanical mixing and extrusion. Ingredients are loaded into a chamber where paddles knead the dough. An internal screw mechanism pushes it through shaping dies, producing uniform noodles that are cut to size. Small commercial machines range from $800 to $3,000. The process is clean, compact, and visually compelling. Powder and water become structured product within minutes. It's one of the clearest demonstrations of edible manufacturing at small scale. Machine 8. Popcorn machine. Expansion economics. Popcorn machines illustrate transformation economics dramatically. A small quantity of kernels, oil, and heat expands into a large, aromatic display of product. Commercial units range from $300 to $1,000. They require little more than counter space and power. What makes them powerful is sensory marketing. Customers see the popping process, smell the aroma, and hear the sound. Those cues influence buying behavior. Volume multiplies while ingredient cost remains low. It's physics supporting margin. Machine 9. Cotton candy machine. Mechanical simplicity, emotional appeal. Cotton candy machines use heat and centrifugal force to melt sugar and spin it into fine strands. Granulated sugar enters the spinning head, melts instantly, and is forced through tiny perforations where it cools into threads collected on a stick. Machines cost between $200 and $800 and require minimal space. It's less about complexity and more about spectacle. The visual process adds entertainment value, making it ideal for events and seasonal setups. Machine 10. Spice grinding machine. From raw ingredient to branded product. Spice grinders convert whole spices into fine powder using rotating stainless steel blades inside sealed chambers. Compact commercial units range from $400 to $2,000, depending on capacity. This machine enables transition from food service to packaged goods. Whole spices are purchased in bulk, ground fresh, blended, and packaged under private labeling. It extends shelf life, increases branding potential, and supports online distribution. Sometimes, the margin isn't in the meal, it's in the packaging. Machine 11. Vacuum sealing machine, shelf life extension tool. Vacuum sealers remove air from packaging before heat sealing plastic bags, extending product shelf life and improving storage efficiency. Commercial tabletop models range from $300 to $1,500. They allow small kitchens to batch produce, portion control, and expand delivery operations without waste. The machine isn't visible to customers, but it stabilizes back-end operations. Efficiency behind the scenes protects profit at the front counter. Machine 12. Industrial dough mixer, foundation of bakery systems. The industrial dough mixer sits at the foundation of bakeries and pizza operations. Flour, water, yeast, and salt are added into a steel bowl. A rotating hook kneads the mixture into consistent dough, eliminating manual variability. Entry-level commercial mixers range from $900 to $4,000, depending on capacity. It represents the beginning of countless food products.
Without consistent dough, output becomes inconsistent. With it, scaling becomes possible. It's controlled motion, turning loose ingredients into structured opportunity. So there you have it, 12 compact machines quietly powering real businesses. No factories, no massive scale, just simple systems turning raw ingredients into consistent profit. This is Business Byte. Which machine would you actually start with? Comment below. I read every one. And if this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe to Business Byte. Because sometimes the smartest business move isn't inventing something new, it's using the right machine.